What's up DayMixers? Welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, hi. So for today we're checking out CATSSTAC's double extension pants. CATSSTAC is a brand that has been popping in my comment section lately, so I thought I'd go ahead and buy the pants. I bought these pants on Taobao. I couldn't find one on AliExpress, but if I do find a link on AliExpress before the video gets released, I'll add the link in the video description below. When it comes to techwear, I do find that CATSSTAC is a more affordable option, yet still providing that cyberpunky look to it. Alright guys, let's try it on and see how it looks. I got these pants purely because how good they look. You actually don't see this type of style much here in New Zealand. For the pants, I bought a size L. After wearing these pants, my first impression was they were so comfortable. Like it was soft and smooth. Because when I first saw the photos, I thought it was more like a plasticky hard material, kind of like that raincoat plasticky feel, but hey, this is nothing like that. I was actually very surprised. It's actually very comfortable. It almost felt like it was cotton. Quickly looking at the photos on the seller's page, I do find that you are definitely getting that same look based on how the photos are advertised. Sometimes the advertised photos have been post-processed so that when you do get a product it looks a bit different, but in this case I do believe that you are getting a very similar look based on those photos on the seller's page. It's lightweight, which is something important to me when I travel, especially when it comes to packing. Every item adds up. Now regarding the flexibility of the pants, because these pants are the loose fitting style, so if you were to crouch down or kneel down, there won't be a tight pull anywhere on the pants. I personally prefer the more fitted look, but with these pants I actually don't mind because they look dope. Hey guys, just want to say something that I've also noticed that with these pants, they catch dust quite easily. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but there is definitely some dust over here, like it's all big. I was just on the ground maneuvering around. I noticed that my pants were pretty grayed out by all the dust on the ground, and I was just slapping the dust away, and it was pretty hard to get that dust away, so I thought that I just let you guys know that. Regarding the layers on the pants, it's definitely a thin layer, but it's not one of those cheap thin layer materials. It's kind of hard to explain, but some of the items that I buy, the moment you put your hand on the material, you can immediately feel that the material is cheap, thin, it doesn't feel that good. But these pants, the quality is definitely way better than any of those. Alright guys, bring me the light. There seems to be more layers around the thigh area. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see a bit of lighting around that area. As you guys can see, the light shines through around the shin areas more than the thigh areas. Alright, waterproof test. Let's get some cold water slow-mo shots. First instance, you don't feel water seeping in, but when you let it sit, you slowly feel the area where that water was poured getting a bit cold. So I guess it's probably good for just a light rainy day, but if it's pouring, an umbrella is probably your best bet. Once again, you get flexibility around the waist and ankle areas, so that gives you a bit more leeway when it comes to sizing. And if you're wondering how it will look on a girl, here it is. Now we get into the details. There are so many details on these pants, so get ready guys, it's gonna take some time. I'm going to flip these pants inside out first. I don't see anything out of the ordinary, but I do want to point out, because I've been flipping pants inside out in many of my videos, and I'm starting to see some subtle differences. For example, on the back side of these pants, you see a half circle stitch. Also with the pockets, some of these pockets, their layers are stitched on the main fabric of the pants, whereas these ones have a separate fabric piece. Also, if I magnify into the stitching here, you notice it's as if the fabric ran out of space. It might just be the one that I bought that has this. If these pants do fall apart after long-term use, I will update that info on my Instagram. An area that caught my attention were the clips over here. If you press in, you can unlock the clips, you can take them out and put them in a different slot. Now, you might be wondering, what is this exactly? Because that was what was going through my head when I first saw this. I mean, it looks cool and it's a unique attachment, but what does it really do? So what I found was these clips are for tactical bags or camping gear that have straps dangling around. These clips basically serve the purpose by binding the strap to another strap. I think you can also attach a small bag here. I've yet to find one of those bags. If you guys happen to know any, please let me know. So far for me, I find these clips are quite helpful when you have pants that have a lot of straps hanging off them. So say for you like the look of the straps, but you don't like them dangling around all the time, you can just get one of these clips and bind the two straps together like this, and now it's secure. So for the clip slots, there are 12 slots per leg, a total of 24 slots. Below are open pockets without a covering. I don't know why they didn't have a covering over it. At the side, you have these elastic adjustable straps. So if you wanted the pants to look a bit tighter, you have that control. One thing I really like about these pants compared to other pants that I've reviewed so far are the side pockets. The side pockets are zip pockets, which is awesome, as I don't have to worry about items falling out when I go maneuvering around in different terrains. Also, look at this. Do you see how smooth that is? It's so satisfying because they have used YKK zippers, and YKK zippers are really good zippers. I believe they've used the 5mm Vislin zips over here, and those type of zips are type of zips that you tend to see on outdoor applications. It's strong and practically weatherproof, so I guess it will last a long time. You have probably already noticed that these pockets unzip all the way to your knees. So it's a huge pocket, but wait, there's more. Inside the pocket, there's a smaller pocket. This just keeps getting better. I have a Huawei P30 Pro. It's quite funny because the smaller pocket here is much bigger and deeper than the general size pants pockets out there. Look how my phone just sinks in, and that's the smaller pocket. It's the same blueprint with the back pockets. They have an outer pocket and an inner pocket. They've also added a clip here so you can unclip if required. The outer pocket is the bigger pocket, but the inner pocket is the deeper pocket. Look how that drops in, so much space. And for the outer pockets, my phone is just slightly poking out. One thing that I had to comment is the front thigh pockets. I don't think I've seen anything like this before, and looking at it straight up, I don't believe you can put anything inside it, because it's likely that things are just gonna fall out. But to my surprise, it did feel secure, because there's a bit of a story. I was actually testing out the front thigh pockets by leaving my phone in there, and then somehow I just completely forgot about it. And then I went to my desk, did some work, and then I realized, hey, where's my phone? Only to find that it was just sitting in there comfortably, and my phone didn't fall out. So it did feel secure sitting in that thigh pocket. Even if you move it side to side, you know that it's in there securely. So that was pretty interesting for me. Overall guys, I really love these pants. They're going straight to the top of my list. In my opinion, even though it has these interesting pieces attached on it, it's still very subtle. It's low key. Some of the pants that I've seen have like buckle straps dangling from it. These pants are as good as the photos you see online. I doubt that you'll be disappointed in your purchase. And for the price of these pants, I think I got them around, after calculating the exchange rate and then a shipping fee, for about 50 USD. This was definitely a satisfying purchase, and I'll be wearing these pants a lot more during my travels. And like how we always say it, DayMixer out.